Hello, brothers and sisters. The Lord spoke to us while we were in prayer today. Let me jump right into it. The Lord revealed to us in a vision two glasses of water. First glass of water has blood in it, and the second was clear water. Then the Lord spoke. The first glass with blood represents a life of a man that is away from me. A man who chooses to follow the world of sin and doesn't turn from it. On the other hand, the clear water represents a man whom once sinner, but repent and forsake his evil ways to obtain grace and mercy, now becomes righteous. When a man continues sinning, that blood becomes darker and darker until it's hard for him to get away with it, for he will become slave by it. Brothers and sisters, it is not late yet to allow the Lord to cleanse our life in order for us to escape God's divine wrath because of sins. He is omnipresent God. Whenever we call upon Him and repent from our wickedness, He is there faithful to forgive us. He is just waiting on all of us, and now is the right time to do that. And to those who follow Him already, continue doing the right thing as His follower. Thank you and God bless you.